Hello everyone, is your car's RPM gauge acting weird, or is your engine running rough with no clear reason? If your OBD-II scanner pulled up P0654 engine RPM output circuit malfunction, this could mean a serious issue with the tachometer signal, or even your engine performance. This code affects the way your engine communicates RPM data to your vehicle's systems, which can lead to misfires, poor acceleration, or even limp mode. In this video, I'll explain what P0654 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0654? The P0654 trouble code stands for Engine RPM Output Circuit Malfunction. Your car's powertrain control module or engine control module sends an RPM signal to the tachometer, transmission, and other systems. If this signal is missing or incorrect, your car might not shift properly or even stall. When the PCM detects a faulty or missing RPM signal, it triggers P0654, which could mean a wiring issue, a bad sensor, or even a failing PCM. Common symptoms of P0654: tachometer, RPM gauge, not working or inaccurate. Rough idling or misfires, poor acceleration, transmission shifting issues, engine stalling or hesitation. Check engine light on. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components involved in this problem. To diagnose P0654, focus on these critical parts: powertrain control module, PCM, engine control module, ECM. Location, usually found on the firewall, under the dashboard, or near the engine bay. Function, sends the RPM signal to the tachometer and transmission. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP sensor. Location, mounted near the crankshaft pulley or on the engine block. Function, measures engine speed and position, providing the RPM signal. Camshaft position sensor, CMP sensor. Location, on or near the cylinder head, close to the timing chain or belt. Function, works with the crankshaft sensor to calculate RPM and engine timing. Tachometer, instrument cluster RPM gauge. Location, on your dashboard instrument cluster. Function, displays engine RPM using signals from the PCM and crankshaft sensor. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the PCM, CKP sensor, CMP sensor, and the tachometer. Function, transfers the RPM signal. A short, open, or corroded wire can cause signal loss or incorrect readings. Common causes of P0654: faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. A damaged sensor can't send an accurate RPM signal. Bad PCM or ECM. If the PCM isn't processing RPM data correctly, the tachometer and other systems will malfunction. Wiring issues such as shorts or breaks, damaged wires between the PCM, crankshaft sensor, or tachometer can interrupt the signal. Defective tachometer, RPM gauge. A bad instrument cluster may fail to display RPM properly. Poor ground connection. Weak grounding can cause fluctuating RPM signals and dashboard errors. How to fix P0654. Step 1. Check for additional codes. If you also see crankshaft or camshaft sensor codes, fix them first. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or shorted wires in the RPM signal circuit. Step 3. Test the crankshaft position sensor. Use a multimeter to check sensor resistance and signal output. Step 4. Verify tachometer functionality. If the instrument cluster is faulty, consider repairing or replacing it. Step 5. Test the PCM or ECM. If everything else checks out, the PCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and monitor your engine's behavior. Ignoring P0654 can lead to transmission shifting issues, engine misfires, and dashboard errors. Fixing it ensures your tachometer and engine systems function properly, preventing unexpected stalls or performance drops. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0564, Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit P0565. Cruise control on signal malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.